Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you about our new production module. So in our new production module, we have made some changes and have made production module more simpler for you. So let me show you what changes are there and how it will be helpful to you. So first of all, let us go to our production module. On your left hand side, you will see production module option. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in production module, so this is our new production module look. So here we have made two segments. One is the production control center and second is the bill of materials. Other than that is you can manage your routing from more, and also you can see explore all production feature here. So in bill of material, from here you can create bill of material. On your right hand side you will see create BOM page. So once you will click on this, a create BOM page will open and you can define your bill of material. Now, other than that, we have also provided some filters here. So if you can see, once I click on filter, I can very well go ahead and just select the all draft or published BOM, and accordingly, I can see the data. So this is one of good thing which we have provided, that is the filter feature, which helps you in more and simplified filtering of data. Now let me come back to production control center. So production control center, please check we have segmented it in the production process, work order and subcontract. So now as you can see the particular work order, from here you can select this work order, and then after this start one process or delete option will get enabled. So in our new release we have made this change that whenever you will just click or select any option, then after additional buttons will get activated, like start one process, or if I come back in bill of material, so once I will select it, then after I will get the start process or delete the bill of material option. Now, same in our production module also, we have provided the filters option. Earlier, you used to go ahead and filter it out as per the open, closed. So now you can do same from the filter option. So here you can select the process stage plan, pending, WIP, completed, or you can check the status and select it. Also, you can go ahead and just select the type, like all master, or just with child process, or only master process. Now you need to select done, and then after the filter will get adjusted accordingly and data will get displayed. So as I mentioned that in the filter itself, we have provided one more thing, like suppose you have gone into the plant stage. So earlier you were going ahead and making changes through in bulk. So the same feature we have provided in the filter. So if I go back to the pending stage, here is one of my production process which is in pending. So I can select it, and then after I can update the stage in bulk of the production process. Once you will click on this cross icon, the filter will get removed and it will come back to the basic, or the basic filter. I hope this new production release will be helpful to you in order to manage your production more simpler and bill of material more simpler. Have a good day ahead.